Good morning, students. I myself, Divakar Pandey from Kumtinagar, Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 16, and the topic is our history. It means in this chapter we have to study about our past history. It means past history of India. As we know, our country, India, has a past glory, and Indian history has been divided into three parts. In ancient period, second medieval period, and third modern period. Ancient period has been known before 600 CE, and medieval period is known from 700 CE to about 1750 CE, and the modern period is known from 1750 to 1947. Now we come to know first of all our ancient period. Yes, the earliest known traces of human life in India are found at Bhimbetka. It means Bhimbetka is that place where the earliest evidences or traces of human life has been found. It is now a World Heritage Site. Bhimbetka is called a World Heritage Site. Historians say that there was a very advanced civilization near the Indus River. It means along the Indus River, first of all, we have found traces about human life. This Sindhu River or Hindu River is located in Pakistan around 2500 BCE, where human life had been occurred. This is called the Indus Valley Civilization, and Harappa was the first city that was discovered in India. So which was the first city that was discovered in India? Harappa. Mohenjo-daro is another important city found in this area. This civilization is also called as the Harappan civilization. Now we come to know about Indus civilization. What was Indus Valley civilization? The first known urban society in India was the Indus Valley civilization. So it was located along the Indus River and its tributaries. So because of located along the Indus River and its tributaries, this civilization is known as Indus Valley civilization. Now we come to know about its extension. Yes, it extended from the Ganga Yamuna Doab to Gujarat and beyond up to northern Afghanistan. This civilization is known for its cities built of bricks. The Indus Valley people built, it means they used to build well planned cities with important buildings such as the Great Bath and Granary. Yes, the Great Bath and Granary are famous buildings that had been found in Indus Valley. Seals, pottery, jewelry, and other remains of this civilization tell us about the lifestyle of the people who lived in that society. Not only besides these things, it also gives clues about the life of people during that period. Now we come to know about Aryans. Yes, who were Aryans? Aryans were those people who came to India around 1500 BCE. Some tribes migrated in groups from Central Asia. They were called Aryans. This group came to India and first settled in the present northwest frontier province and Punjab. Then it was called Sapt Sindhu. It means in that time it was known as Sapt Sindhu. Sapt Sindhu. What is the meaning of Sapt Sindhu? Now try to know. Sapt Sindhu means the region of 7 rivers. So what is the meaning of Sapt Sindhu? Sapt Sindhu means the region of 7 rivers. They drove away the Dasas or Dasyus who were living in North India and they settled there. They lived there for many centuries and later built settlements along the Ganga and Yamuna rivers. Now we come to know about their agricultural work. Yes, they used to grow crops and domesticate animals. They used to believe in open air ceremonies and sacrifices. The Vedic civilization of the Indo-Aryans is associated with the Vedas. Do you know what are Vedas? Yes, there are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sham Veda and Atharvaveda that were related with Aryan people. So these Vedas, Upanishads and epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata were written during this period. It means in the period of Arya people. These books are very helpful in understanding the people and civilization of that time. Since the Vedas were written during this period is also known as the Vedic age. Now we come to know about 2 words, what is Doab and Dasas. Doab is a piece of land between 2 rivers and Dasas were the people who lived in India before the Aryan came. Thank you. In my next video I will discuss about other page. Thank you. Have a nice day.